The LA riots and ICE protests are a turning point for many people in U.S. history. How it began. On June 6, ICE conducted several surprise raids in LA in the Fashion District and the Home Depot parking lot area. Around 100 people, between 44 to 118, nobody knows for sure how many, were arrested by ICE and detained. These raids sparked an outrage, and by evening, peaceful protests had begun that grew into more sinister protests, cars burning, people waving Mexican flags. Tensions and clashes with the LAPD started erupting. Officers used tear gas, flashbangs, and rubber bullets on the crowds. And one of the protesters happened to be David Huerta, a prominent labor union leader, president of the SEIU California, a huge employee union there. He was violently arrested. He was injured during the arrest, had to go to the hospital, and now he's got a criminal case for attacking or endangering a federal officer and was released on a $50,000 bond. His particular situation had made it much, much worse. The protests had escalated. By June 8th, they spread across LA to Paramount and Compton areas. They began blocking streets, blocking roads, setting fires, chanting against immigration enforcement, and waving Mexican flags. Trump got upset and he deployed the National Guard. Federal National Guard. 200 soldiers from the Federal National Guard were sent by Trump without asking the governor of California, who got really mad and is now threatening to sue the Trump administration in federal court for interfering with their local affairs. And I guess it's in violation of the Constitution that separates federal and state government and allows states to handle their own problems. So Trump basically stepped over Newsom and just sent in the troops, including today 700 more federal troops in the Marines. So he sent 700 Marines today, and all this to protect federal facilities and establish peace and order in the city. Everybody is really mad. Trump labeled protesters as insurgents and called the immigration protest movement as the immigration invasion. He threatened further federal criminal actions and criticized California officials for not doing their job and not doing enough to maintain order. He said they're stupid and lazy and don't do their job. So basically, we're going to see how this develops. If you want to legalize in U.S., however, give us a call. We can help.